Welcome to Resin and Reveal with Anita. Let's see what she's pouring today.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making a silicone mould of Henry. Now Henry is one of my garden ornaments and he's so realistic. So I thought I'd try and make a brother for him. Now this is going to be the first time I've ever made a silicone mould. And I've sealed underneath, there's a little hole there. I hope this project isn't going to be too big for me, but I can but try. So I've made this box, he fits in there nicely. And I'm just going to use some hot glue to glue him to the bottom. And I'll mix some silicone. I hope I've got enough. I actually have 1.4 litres. So fingers crossed that that's going to be enough for this mould. But we'll see. Right, so I'm going to get on with mixing the silicone. I'll glue Henry down into his box and I'll be right back. Okay, so Henry's been glued into his box and I've got the silicone mixed and all I need to do is pour. That seems easy enough, so here goes.
I thought I'd start with something small, a little mold, that's all. But then I saw my hedgehog Henry there and thought, should I mold him? Do I dare? So I chose a mold that's rather wild and wondered if I'd lost my mind for my very first attempt, you see. Is this too much for me? I've got the silicone blues. Oh, what have I got myself into? I've chosen something far too big. I've got the silicone blues. I hope I haven't made a bad move. Keep your fingers crossed and pray. Please let this mold work out today. I mixed it up and started to pour, and suddenly I wasn't so sure. I watched the silicone getting low. There wasn't enough for my first throw. I've got the silicone blues, and I've got plenty left to lose. First the mold, then resin too. I really haven't got a clue. I've got the silicone blues. All I can do is hope and choose. Keep your fingers crossed for me. I hope this works out eventually.
Oh guys, I haven't got enough after all. I'm going to order more from Amazon and then I'll come back tomorrow. So here we are, 2 days later. I'm sorry I forgot to press record when I topped this up, but it's cured and it's time to demold it now. So this was a bit of a challenge and I'm going to speed this up. You could see what I'm doing, but wow, was this hard work.
So I chose a mold that's rather wild and wondered if I'd lost my mind for my very first attempt, you see. Is this too much for me? I've got the silicone blues. Oh, what have I got myself into? I've chosen something far your fingers crossed and pray. Please let this mold work out today.
So I'm just trimming around his legs and parts of his body in the hope that I'm going to get him out. Very, very fiddly, all this. At this stage, I'm actually regretting moulding this hedgehog, you know. I thought I should have done some coasters or something. It might have been a bit easier. But I'm here and I've got to carry on trying. I'll trim all around there. Even if that means that he's going to lose the bottom part of his body. I'm worried about trimming too much of this off, you know. So, no, he's not going to come out that way. I'm definitely going to have to cut that mould. I've struggled for long enough now. And I can put some tape around the mould anyway before I pour the resin, so it's not the end of the world. It can still work. Okay, so let's see if we can get him out from the side. Oh, I can see him. Come on, Henry. There you go. I did speed that bit up. Wow, I am shattered. But I did use some of that as well, some silicone release spray. I think I cut that part out, but never mind. He's out. He's all in one piece. And the mould is done. Can you see all the black parts in there? I thought that was actually soil, you know, even though I did wash him. But I think it was paint. I'm not sure what it was, but it's there and it's staying. I'll give it a wash before I pour some resin in it. I'll leave it for a couple of days and then I'll come back and we'll pour a brother for Henry. See you soon. So this is a few days later, guys. This has been washed thoroughly. I've left it to dry, but that black inside, it didn't come off. So it should be okay. And I'll tape this up when I'm ready to pour. But before that, I need to burnish this little guy with some mica powders. And I want him to have 3 colours, just like Henry has. But he's going to be 3 different colours. I'm going to put the Nick Pro Rose Gold on his face and his chest. The Nick Pro Coffee on the tips of his spines. And the Nick Pro Bronze actually mixed into the resin for the rest of the pour. So I'll put this on a time lapse while I burnish him, and then we can tape it up and start the pour. Okay, he's all burnished now. I'm going to use this stronger tape, I think. I'm just worried about any leaks coming out of there. And it looks like we're on the home straight. So I'm feeling quite excited about this now. I'll just go and mix some craft depot resin, and then we'll add that bronze mica and we can pour the little guy. And then hopefully we'll have a brother for Henry. Right, so that's all the deep pour resin mixed up. I'm going to dissolve some of this bronze mica powder in some alcohol so it mixes smoothly. And then I can mix it into the resin and we'll start the pour.
Henry's been sitting there all on his own. So I thought, little fella, you need someone home. I made up a mold and I'm giving it a try. Now there's a new little hedgehog waiting inside. Harry, Henry's little brother. One little hedgehog just wasn't enough. The resin is pouring, the mold's filling up. Now all I can do is hope for good luck. Will he have Henry's cheeky little face? Will he be his brother or a different shape? There's only one way that we're going to know. So settle down, Harry, it's time for the pour. Harry, Henry's little brother. One little hedgehog just wasn't enough. The resin is pouring, the mold's filling up. Now all I can do is hope for good luck.
So that's it. I've done as much as I can do and hopefully this is going to turn out good. I've just got to wait for this to cure and then I can demold it and introduce you to Harry. Harry's cured, guys. I'm really looking forward to this. Oh, and I changed my silicone mat as well. My other one was a bit messy. That's the tape off. And now it's time for the demold. Okay, let's hope this is going to be easy. It's really not. I know it's not. But we'll get there. And he's coming out. I can see him. Oh, he's out. Are you ready for this, guys? That black's still there. Never mind. That's done. He's out of there. And here he is. Look at that little cutie. Oh, I am so happy with him. Look at that little face. Guys, I just love him so much. I'm just going to give him some eyes and a few little features and then I'll take some photographs for you. So guys, thanks for coming in today. I really appreciate it. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.
Henry's got a brother. Harry is here. They look good together any time of year. They'll live in the garden, a cheeky little pair. From the mold to the reveal, Harry is here. Henry's got a brother. Harry is here. They look good together any time of year. They'll live in the garden, a cheeky little pair. From the mold to the reveal, Harry is here.